Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a very quick animation using one of the Christmas trees that we created in the earlier videos. So I'm just going to go to Create on Scratch. And we don't need this, so we can close that. And we don't need the cat, so get the scissors and cut the cat. And what we're going to do is import the image that we saved from Google Drawings of our Christmas tree. So we go to the Upload the sprite, and I'm just going to go and get one of these triangle pictures that I made earlier, which are saved as a PNG. So in Google Drawings, you save the image and you go File, Download as PNG. So I'm just going to upload that image, and there it is. Now I'm just going to shrink it a little bit by going to Looks, Set Size. So right at the start, I want to make it a little bit smaller. So this one I'll probably shrink to about 75%, so it's slightly smaller, and then just click the block and it will shrink. You now don't need that block anymore. It's now the size that we want. I'm going to go and get another one. I'll get the little red one that I also saved. Again, I'm going to change the size, set the size, not change the size, set the size right at the start. And I'll probably set this one to 50. I'll make this one slightly smaller. Click it. There we go. Got a slightly smaller one. Okay, so there's your two sprites. Right, we're going to get a background by going to the background library, backdrop. And if you go to the holiday theme, you will see you've got some sort of wintry ones. So I'll just choose that one. And there's your background. So just move your tree so that it's standing on the snow. Okay, now we're going to go to the first triangle and going to go and give it a little script. So when the green flag clicks under events. Now what I want it to do is change how it looks. So go to the looks blocks. All I need it to do is to change the color effect. And I want it to keep doing that over and over again. So I go to Control and put it in a forever. Now if I click the green flag now, you'll see that it's flicking through its color scheme very rapidly. So what I need to do is just drag over a wait. So it's going to change the color and then wait. But now it's doing it too slowly. So I need to change it. So it's about 1/4 of a second. So now it's every 1/4 of a second, it's changing its color scheme. Okay, and all I do now is click that and drag that and drop it on top of the other one. So now when I click the green flag, they will both be running the same script. Okay. Now if you notice when I do it, the white stars, white can't change its color scheme. White changing its color by 25%, it'll still be white. So I'm going to click on that and just go into Costumes tab. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. And then I'm going to get the fill tool and just slightly change the color on some of these. Let's get a slightly different one. Maybe a pink. So now, when you see the color has changed here. So now when I run it, the stars will change color as well. That's what that looks like. So that's very easy. What they can then do is duplicate that. So they can right click and duplicate that. So they've got two. Just move them around slightly. And they can duplicate that one if they want. Just rearrange them. Each time you move one, it will come to the front. So if I wanted that at the front, I would just click it, drag it, and it would come to the front. Okay. Now at the moment when I run it, these two will be identical and these two will be identical. Now the way to alter that is to click on the second script of the second triangle and just add a 1 second. So there'll be a 1 second delay before that one starts changing its color. Same with the second red triangle, just add a 1 second delay. And then when you run it now, there'll be 1 second. So there'll always be slightly different colors. And that's a very easy, simple script using an image that they created themselves.